They say the ocean is the least understood ecosystem on the planet, with over 80% of it unexplored. It's bound to have some pretty interesting and intelligent creatures living in it. So today, we're gonna take a look at the 5 most intelligent sea creatures. Number 5, cuttlefish. Cuttlefish are arguably the most intelligent invertebrates on the planet. They have excellent memories and can recognize themselves in the mirror. They also have the ability to learn by observing other cuttlefish and can pass on that knowledge to other members of their species. They can even use tools, which is very rare in the animal kingdom. Researchers have seen them use coconut shells as a form of protection from predators. The cuttlefish essentially uses the shell as a portable shelter and will even carry it around with them as they move through the water. No, for octopus. Not only are they incredibly cute, but they're also super smart. They have the ability to learn and remember things, which is pretty impressive considering their brains are the size of a pea. They're basically the toddlers of the sea. They can also solve mazes and escape from tricky situations, which is how they managed to become one of the most successful predators on the planet. And just like cuttlefish, they also use tools. Researchers have seen them use coconut shells to hide in, as well as pieces of seagrass to camouflage themselves. 3. Dolphins. Dolphins are probably the most playful creatures in the ocean. And because of this, they need to be super smart. They use their intelligence to hunt for food, communicate with each other, and avoid predators. They're also one of the few animals that can recognize themselves in the mirror. This is a sign of high intelligence since it shows that they understand that they separate from their reflection. This is similar to how primates use mirrors to check for parasites on their fur. 2. Whales. Whales are the largest creatures in the ocean, and they need to be big-brained in order to navigate through the water and find their way back to shore. Their intelligence is also evident in their songs and communication. Each whale has a unique song that they use to communicate with other whales. And these songs are so complex that scientists believe that whales have their own language. Number 1, sharks. Out of all the fish in the sea, sharks are the smartest. They have the biggest brains of any fish, and they use this intelligence to hunt down prey and avoid being caught by humans. They're also very curious creatures and will investigate anything new that enters their territory. This sometimes puts them in danger, like when they get caught in fishing nets. But their intelligence helps them to learn and adapt to new situations, which is why they've been able to survive for so long. There are many other sea creatures that could have made it on this list, such as starfish, lobsters, and crabs. But these 5 are definitely the smartest of the bunch. What do you think? Did we miss any? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching.